Long time ago, a poor man was very much troubled by his poverty. Due to his poverty, it had become very difficult for him to maintain his family. The burden of maintaining a wife and two children created turmoil in his mind. Due to this upheaval, he decided to run away from home, and one night he silently left his family and went away. He was walking in the night without determining any destination. When he reached a river bank, he saw Lord Buddha camping there with his disciple. Seeing this, he decided that he would become a monk and become a disciple of Lord Buddha and wander with him. Taking this decision, he went to Lord Buddha's camp and fell at his feet and started requesting him to make him his disciple and keep him with him. Lord Buddha took pity on that poor man and made him his disciple. After that, when Lord Buddha's convoy moved forward, he also walked with them. It was the month of summer. Lord Buddha's convoy kept on moving. When they reached a forest, all the people stopped to rest under a tree. Due to the heat, Lord Buddha was very thirsty. He said to his new disciple, "There is a pond nearby. You go and get water from there." After listening to the order of Lord Buddha, he went to the lake to get water. When he reached near the lake, he saw some wild animals creating a fuss in the lake. But when he reached near the lake, all the animals ran away in fear. That disciple went near the lake and saw that the water of the lake had become very dirty due to the fuss of the animals. The mud and the rotten leaves of the lake had come out. Seeing such dirty water, he came back without taking any water and came and said to Lord Buddha, "Lord, there was a very dirty water in that lake. It cannot be drunk at all." After listening to the disciple, Buddha did not say anything for some time. Then Buddha again told him, "Go and get water from the same lake." After listening to the order of the Lord Buddha, that disciple went to take water, but kept thinking in his mind that how will Lord Buddha drink such dirty water? When he reached near the lake while walking, he was surprised to see that the water of the lake had become pure and clean. He came to Lord Buddha with water and asked him, "How did the water of the lake become so clear in a short time?" Then Lord Buddha explained to him, "When the animals were making fuss in the water, its mud emerged. But after remaining calm for some time, the mud settled back down and the water became clear again. The condition of our mind is also same. The hustle and bustle of life creates turmoil in our mind and then we take wrong decisions. But before taking any decision, if we keep our mind calm and think patiently, then that upheaval of our mind also settles down like mud of the water, and then the decision we take is always right. That's why a person should never lose patience in bad times." The man understood the teachings of Lord Buddha. When he sat and thinked peacefully, he realized that he had taken a wrong decision leaving home, and he went back to his home after taking permission from Lord Buddha.